This is Popiah. It's a snack so addictive you'll surely munch on non-stop. Created by my mom, which she learned in Brunei. A wordplay from Popiah wrapper or lumpia wrapper. I'll be showing you how we do it, but using store-bought spring roll wrappers, some nori sheets, and a binder, 2 eggs, and some salt and pepper. Now thaw your medium-sized spring roll pastry. Peel off the sheets one by one and cover with a damp cotton towel. Take 2 sheets of nori wrapper at a time, cut into half with a pair of scissors. Lay down 1 piece of popiah wrapper on a board. Brush thinly with the beaten eggs. Take 1/2 nori sheet. Using the rough side, press it down at the edge of the popiah wrapper to cover half of the sheet. Hold the edge of the bottom side, fold once, and start rolling it away from you until you've reached the other edge and you've created a tube. Brush the other edge with a binder to seal. So the ratio we're using is 1 popiah sheet is to 1/2 nori sheet. Cut the rolled popiah diagonally 1/2 inch apart and do the same for the rest. Then we'll use a deep fryer or a wok with 6 cups of canola oil. Bring the heat up until the oil is 160 to 180 degrees Celsius. Fry until golden brown. Take out and drain excess oil, then transfer in a tray to cool. And here is your crispy popiah nori rolls. Make it spicy by adding chili or wasabi powder or have it as is. But we're not done yet. To have that signature popiah taste, we're gonna add in our spice mix of chili, garlic, shallots, salt, sugar, and chicken stock. Caramelize and coat the popiah. Give it a toss. Add some sesame seeds. Toss some more and coat well. Then transfer in a tray to cool. And there you have it. Our popiah. It's a unique snack. Every flavor is balanced. It's sweet, spicy, and umami flavor with the added nori. The crunch is so satisfying and adds a whole new sensory quality beyond taste. I hope you like it. To know more about our popiah, check out the description below. Till next time, see ya!